Okay, and next is we have to copy this JDK. So tar zx vf slash user. Okay, so we can create a directory called slash user share, or we can create a directory called slash user java and unzip this JDK under that tar zx vf JDK slash user java. Okay, again this JDK we need across other machines also, not only this machine. So we need to have JDK available in the same path slash user, whatever the path we use here, the same version should be available across the other machine also. So what I'm doing is I'm just copying this JDK to other machines also. SCP, so node 1 colon slash root, then it will ask for my password. So whatever the password I can enter here, so it will start copying these packages to the machine. So I need to copy to node 2 also. Okay, so we'll go to the node 1 and node 2 also, and we'll check that mkdir slash user slash user java. Correct. Yes, mkdir slash user java, and the same thing I need to do on the node 2 as well. Okay, and here I have the packages. I just want to unzip that. zx vf -c slash user java. So in node 1 also slash user java. Okay, okay, next is we need to set the path as well as java home in profile file across all the machines. Okay, so I'm opening etc profile file. Okay, and adding whatever the settings here. So export java underscore home equal to this one, then export path equal to $path, sorry, this one colon. Okay, so these things I need to update across node 1 as well as the node 2. Okay, so open here slash etc profile. Okay, done. So we'll go to the node 2. Profile shift G. Okay, so adding that also done. Okay, so now we will configure yum repository for Ambari. Okay, as we know, Ambari is available under /var www html. Under that, Ambari 2.1.1. okay, so instead of here, if I type Ambari 2.1.1, yes, so we can see this. Okay, so go inside this directory, so wherever you and stop wherever you see a repo data directory. Okay, so till here we need. Okay, so I'm going to create a repo file for Ambari under this etc yum dot repos.d directory, and we already have a CentOS local repo over here. So I'm creating Ambari hyphen local or Ambari dot repo. Okay, and I'm Ambari okay, and in name is Ambari hyphen repo, then base URL equal to whatever the this one. Okay, and the GPG check I'm setting to 0 because I don't want to check that integrity, because I'm very sure whatever the packages downloaded is correct. So you can do GPG enable equal to 1, and so that you need to point to this GPG file. Okay, I'm not doing that. So this thing I need to replicate to node 1 as well as the node 2. Okay, yum repo list, if you type you can see that Ambari repo also. So I'm doing this one on the node 1. Okay, so vim /etc yum dot repos dot d Ambari dot repo, and add this line. Done. And go to node 2 etc okay, so added that. Okay, so now Ambari repo has configured. Then you can verify that yum repo list command, so that will list whatever the Ambari repo and whatever the available packages. Okay, now we have /var www html. So we will check HDP and HDP utils path from here. Okay, because this you may need to sorry, it's not HPD, HDP, then CentOS to wherever you see a repo data directory. Yes, here we have repo data, so we need a path till here. So this path you may need in future, I mean during the installation time. Okay, so we'll note down. Then HDP is there, then what are the HDP utils. Okay, so under this repos CentOS, okay, yeah, we have repo data here. So this path also we need, I mean, so we will appoint this path during the installation time. Okay, so now we will move into that prerequisites configuration as well as Ambari installation. That I will be covering in next video.